How to record on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can record on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to go ahead and then basically record on iPad, it's actually quite simple. Now you have to swipe down from the top right of the settings in order to enable the control panel settings here, and you'll find this bleep icon. In my case, I'm currently recording. As you can see, I'm recording my screen. So if you also want to enable similar type of feature like this, first of all what you have to do is open the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, on the left hand side you have to simply look for an option known as control center. So let me go ahead and look for control center, as you would be able to find it right here. Once you go to control center, on the right hand side you can see screen recording is included. In case it is not included, you have to tap the plus icon from the bottom in order to include it on the control center. And when you swipe down from the top right next time, you'll find the screen recording toggle, which you can then use to record the audio. This way you will be able to go ahead and then record on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.